specials back, Aldi. Or you pack your own bags, Aldi. Don't waste any time by being too slow and holding up the line. I'm sorry, I'm going as fast as I can. Yeah, I'm the bad cat, I'm the let me out cat, I'm the let me in cat, can't make up my mind cat. I'm the bad type, ultimate the dog type, puke under your bed type, bother me and I will strike. I'm the bad type. Meow. I'm the bad type. All my favourite things, belly rubs, biting shoestrings, and all my favourite stuff, chasing balls and sniffing butts. Always I know that you'll come back home, watching, waiting, anticipating. I will want to moan every time you go, don't be going long, hurry back home. Where are you going? Can I come? Where are you going now? Take me with you. I don't want your pills, and I don't need your oils, and I don't like your creams, but it's not a pyramid scheme. She said our company's superior to all others. Our products grown in organic soil. Okay, well, do you have any I can buy that will shut you up about essential oil? I'm a bug who drinks your blood purely out of survival. You hide under the sheets, but I still bite your feet. If there's a gap, then I'll find it. Your face exposed, it's so soft and oh so tender. You grab the bug spray and you aim it at me. You've lost the battle, just surrender. I'll bite you very, very much. That's what mosquitoes do, better get used to. And please don't you misjudge. I'll bite you, itchy very much. Cause your oils that don't work, what are you going to deserve? Don't you like my touch? It makes me want to cry. If I don't not eat my avo on time. So I said, ripen for me, avocado. I only have a few more hours to go. It goes from raw to ripe to black in just one day. And if I'm late, I'll have to throw them all away. Unknown item in the bagging area. Is there a control? Oh, delete on here. I moved the bag an inch, and what did it say? You removed an item. Put it back without delay. Scan next item, said the self-checkout machine. Barcode not recognised appeared on the screen. Please wait for assistance. Stop the transaction, but I'm trying to avoid human interaction. Say moist. And I'll cringe every time. It's gross and reminds me of slime. Hey, I'm offended today. And I'm offended if you wear Crocs, then decorate with charms and wear socks. Hey, offending fashion victims today. Unless you're a mum or a kid, that's fine. And why are they offended by electric cars? How dare you support Elon and his mission to Mars? Hey, offending Tesla drivers today. Hi, precious snowflakes. This is my song to you. When you said that you're triggered. Oh, I'm triggered too. ChatGPT. Could you write me a song? ChatGPT. What could go wrong? ChatGPT. I need your expertise. ChatGPT. And make it funny. Okay, I'll write a song about me. A funny song. I'm a word to light, gonna shine so bright. I'm the app you desire. In the chat stream, I'm the ultimate being. All my words are on digital fire. I crack a joke, make a giggle with glee. I'm the top of the town, it's a contradiction. Hopeless, slightly artistic ambition. It's just a big canvas all painted blue, with a bunch of leaves stuck with super glue. Looks like a 4-year-old made this at Kinderland, with their eyes closed and using their hands. Now, there's a video, it's playing on the wall. Just a guy brushing his hair, and that is all. They'll say it's an exploration of current trends, but really, it's just a man with lots of split ends. Please show me the way. These psychics are so vague, and nothing aligns with what they say. One said, I see money coming your way. Oh, like the lotto or just a coin on the street? The other one said, no, I see money